Alright, today we are going to be learning about 2D flat shapes. So that is just your standard shapes. So we have circles. What do we notice about a circle? That it's just round. It doesn't stop anywhere. It just keeps going. Okay, so these are 2D shapes. They're flat. Then we have our triangle. What do we notice about the triangle? Well, it meets at 3 points, so it has 3 edges, 1, 2, 3, and it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Here we have a square. Notice that the square has 4 edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we have something that looks similar to a square, but it's not because 2 sides are longer and 2 sides are shorter. The 2 longer sides are equal and the 2 shorter sides are equal. It also has 4 edges and 4 sides. And I forgot to say that the square has equal sides, so all the sides are the same size. That's our square. Alright, so that is what our lesson will be on. Oh, we have one more. And here we have a hexagon. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. It is also considered a 2D shape. And we will begin looking at these and watching some videos. So follow along.